dividing fraction by another fraction, the rule says multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. So ang dividend natin is 9/5 or 9/5. So from division we multiply because the rule says multiply. But i-reciprocal natin. Ang ating numerator magiging denominator na, ang ating denominator magiging numerator na. Yun ang sinabi ng rule. Multiply the dividend to the reciprocal of the divisor. So tingnan natin kung ma-apply natin ang cancellation method para mapaikli ang ating multiplication process. So 9 and 3 has common factor of 3. So divide natin ang 3, magiging 1. 9 divided by 3, we have 3. Dito pwede tayong mag-cancel din kasi 5 at saka 15 may common factor na 5. Cancel 5 divided by 5, we have 1. So 15 divided by 5, we have also 3. So ang naiwan 3 times 3 equals 9. In 1 times 1 we have 1. So ang answer natin 9/1 or 9/1. Improper fraction. So i-divide natin 9 divided by 1. Ang answer natin ay 9.